Okay, it is Wednesday, August 24th. And it's pack day. Or move day, pack day, it's all the same thing, right? I'm gonna walk in the middle of the street because there are little girls over here. Yes, we've got a giant truck. All of our stuff is being put in it. I didn't get any footage in the house. They're busy putting everything in it. But yeah. Not gonna lie, it's kind of crazy. I went over to look at some stuff. Dad wanted me to. Right now, Owen and Ryan are in the hotel because it's super duper boring here. Mom and our best friend slash neighbor, Helen Jane, are sitting at Helen Jane's house just across the way. And I'm vlogging on an iPad, and two girls walked by and gave me the weirdest look. I'm also wearing like a fancy dancy dress because I felt like doing that. Yeah. Progress, people. There's the house. So that's our canoe. And up here we have, where's my finger? It's an elliptical. Got the bike up there.